Welcome to the BI Courses YouTube channel. Today, we will see what different type of data sources the Microsoft Power BI tool can connect to. As we all know that Power BI is a business intelligence reporting tool that needs data as a raw material. In this video, we will find out data sources Power BI tool is compatible with, or in other words, which all data sources Power BI can connect to. Additionally, different ways of connection like through Power BI Desktop, Power Query, and Power BI Service. From Power BI Desktop interface, one can easily choose a data source for connection. Some common sources are listed out. Upon clicking Get Data button, a pop-up window appears as shown in the image here. Well, enough of talking. Let's see directly in Power BI Desktop. This is a typical Power BI Desktop screen. Upon clicking Get Data, we can see common data sources for Power BI connection. Also, one can click on More to view an array of data sources available for connection. On the left hand side, we can see the categorization of these data sources by its type. For example, file, databases, Microsoft Fabric, Power Platform, Azure type data sources, online services, and everything else is covered under others. We can do the same by going to Power Query window. In the Power Query window, again, you have to click on New Sources and then on More. Almost all data sources which were available on Power BI Desktop are also available under Power Query. With some exceptions, like under Microsoft Fabric, you won't be seeing all other data sources which were available to us on Power BI Desktop. Let's talk about cloud version of Power BI. We can also connect to almost same set of data sources as we have for desktop. To do so, we will first have to opt in for creating a data flow, which in turn will launch online Power Query window. Let's see. Alright folks, here we are logged in to Power BI service, and this is a typical look and feel of Power BI Cloud. On the left hand side, we have workspaces. We can choose one of the workspaces, and upon clicking new, we can hit on data flow. We will find different options of creating a data flow. Upon choosing defining new tables, it will launch a online Power Query window for us. From here, we can choose almost all data sources which we had the option to choose from using desktop version. Upon clicking View More, we will see those options categorized in the same manner how we had it for Power BI Desktop. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching, friends. Today we saw different types of data sources the Power BI tool can connect to. In upcoming videos, we will learn live demonstrations of connecting Power BI to a data source like SQL Server or flat files. Before you go, please press the subscribe button to stay up to date. See you in the next tutorial video. Thank you.